Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show my village in this video, so stay tuned till the end. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Like the video and share it with friends. Then let's go on the side of the video. Hello, here I am showing you the village. This is the village of all of us. You must be seeing this in the video. This is the village of all of us. See far and wide, cement sand, this house has been built, you must be able to see. See in the video, this is how it is now everyone's village. See both are very good. If you like my village, then you will definitely tell me by commenting that how did you like my village. I will keep downloading more latest videos like this for you RDM by subscribing to the YouTube channel. I can see that your village is like this. See you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.